as a whole. Before I go any further, may I ask for a minute of silence to pray for the soul of our batchmate Glenn Ford, whom we lost because of untimely death. If not for his drowning, he is with us today in person. When we first came to this school, we were skeptical. All of us felt as if we were pulled out of our comfort zones and pushed into a completely new environment with new faces and new set of rules to follow. Some of us even cried because we were afraid to be left by our parents inside our classrooms. But as time goes along, we realized that we should go on our own without our parents by our sides all the time. That was 6 or 7 years ago. Now, we're about to start a new chapter of our lives, high school. Looking back as a grade 1 pupil, I can still remember how happy Madam Ogle was when I won, together with Christine, the district math competition against other schools. To her delight, she gave me a 100-peso bill. So, with Christine as our prize. In other events I joined, I can still remember when I was in grade 5, when I won the 3rd place in the Luther quiz against grade 6 pupils. When I showed it to my Lola in the hospital where he was confined due to emphysema. Lolo, thank you for all the love and support. We could have been happier if you were with us today. Lolo, we miss you. When I was in grade 2, I can still remember how my forehead got wounded. I was with the trees in going to the school CR, and we were playing along the way, and we jumped over the sentence. But, sad to say, I lost my balance, so my forehead hit the plant box. I was careful the next time. Elementary is such a wonderful part of one's life. We play, work, study, and laugh together. We could not forget those moments when we all pray na sana makalimutan yung Madam yung binigay niyang assignment kasi hindi natin nagawa. And we all laugh our hearts out. And one among us to be a lookout for the teacher coming so that we could be all quiet. Diba? At this juncture, I would like to thank all the teachers of the San Jacinto West Central School who in one way or another became part of my success. This graduation is just one step of attaining one's dream and goals. And hopefully we could maintain our studies. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank my Tita Sylvia, who used to say sympathizing when she finds me rushing my assignments and projects early in the morning because I didn't finish them in the evening. To Ate Crystal and Kuya Jopet, who share their knowledge when I refer my assignments and projects to them. And most especially, my parents who are always there to support me. To my dear friends, you can still count on me as your friend, even if we were not on the same school. Hope hindi niyo ako makakalimutan. Text na lang tayo, guys. Thank you for listening attentively. Thank you again and good afternoon. Thank you, Mariel.
Mariel. Yeye.
Mariel.